Here I'm logging into admin dashboard of WordPress, and we will see using Elementor how to add background image in any section in Elementor. Okay, so this is for Elementor. So I have already installed the plugin Elementor. If you haven't installed it, you can install Elementor. Then we will see how we can add background image in Elementor. Okay, so here for what I have created a page. I will go click on edit with Elementor. Now suppose you want to add background image on any section. I will create a new section, and this will be my flexbox single, and I will just copy and paste same content here. Paste P and paste. Now this is my section. Now I want to add background image on this section. First I will add some padding to make it look much better here. Now if you want to add background image in this section, what you need to do, click here. Now go to style option. Now here you can see background. Click on classic, select the image, whichever image you want to set it as a background. I will just select it. Now we need to style that images. Okay, for that image resolution is free. Default position I want to make it center, or you can change as per your requirement. Now attachment. Now scroll and fixed. What is scroll? Scroll means it will scroll with the website. Now when you select it fixed, here you can see image is fixed, text is scrolling over it. That is also called parallax effect. You can see here, you can set as per your requirement. I want to set as of now scroll, repeated, no repeat I want to cover it. Okay, that's very simple. We have created. Now it's not looking good, you can see. So we will style it. How? Go on background overlay. I will add some dark background color, and opacity will be suppose this, and go here, change the style to white. Now here you can see it's clearly visible here. Make it white. If you still have some, if you still think it's not looking good, what you can do, you can background or increase the opacity, then it will look much more clear. Here you can see it's becoming much more clear. Here you can see. So that's how very simply you can add background image in any section in Elementor and style it as per your requirement. Here you can see it's looking much more better. You can set up as per your requirement. You can see in mobile view also. Here. So that's very simple. That's how you can easily add background image to any section in Elementor. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.